See, as I told you, whenever you are you have to pay the tax. Now you have to create a provision for income tax. So this is the example I have taken. Provision for tax has to be made for the assessment year 20 and 21 for rupees 5 lakh. So what will be the journal entry for this? In the earlier, I have told you you have to make a provision out of your current profit. So profit is my nominal account. So profit and loss account is my credit balance. But once you have to make a provision out of your current profit, so what you have to do is you have to
Profit and loss account debit to provision for tax.
yes, exactly, profit and loss account debit to provision for tax of rupees 5 lakh. Clear? We have already discussed about this in last lectures. Hence I am revising it. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay, we'll continue next.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, see, I have told you what is advance tax. We passed the advance tax journal entry. What is provision for tax? We have passed the journal entry for provision for tax. Now, what we have to do is first we have to compare your tax liability with the provision. We'll take the example of this. You will come to know everything. Okay. So, just listen carefully. First, we'll compare my tax liability with my profit provision for tax. Then we'll compare my tax liability with advance tax. This is my tax liability. Just take an example that you have paid the advance tax of rupees 60,000. You have already paid to the government 60,000 rupees in the current year, and you have the provision for tax as a 70,000 rupees. Clear? So we'll take first example. Assume that your provision for tax is more than and your from your tax liability. What do you mean by this? First, we are comparing my tax liability to for with provision for tax. Okay. So here we have to check is my provision for tax. It's more than from my tax liability. So your tax liability is how much? Just fixed amount of is 50,000. Just assume that you have fixed your tax liability at 50,000 rupees. Clear that? Your tax liability is rupees 50,000. How much your PFT is? You can see on the top, I have taken the example in that PFT is 70,000. Can you see that?
Yes.
Your tax liability is rupees 50,000 and your PFT is 70,000. That means your PFT is more than your tax liability. You have created more. That you have assumed that your tax will become more, so you have made the provision extra. Okay. So now what you have to do is you have to transfer your provision from where you make a provision from your profit. So you have to transfer it again. So this is the journal entry will come PFT account debit to PNL. See, what do you make the journal entry while making a PFT? We make a journal entry profit and loss account debit to provision for income tax, right? So now you have to what do is you have to transfer the balance to PNL. You have to nullify the account, so you have to opposite effect. Clear this? First is your situation is PFT is more than your tax liability. So your tax liability is rupees 50,000 and your PFT balance is 70,000. So out of that, you have to just paid 50,000 your tax liability. So how much your extra is in PFT account? 20,000 is extra.
20,000.
So that 20,000 we have to transfer in PNL account because that 20,000 you have taken from PNL account. So now I don't require that 20,000. In this example, 20,000 is extra. I have made that. So you have to transfer in that account. Clear that?
Yes.
Once you have to make a provision, you pass this account, this entry, profit and loss account debit to provision. This is the provision entry. When you have to make a provision, you pass this entry, profit and loss account debit to provision for tax. Once you find out that your provision is extra or you have created more, So you just opposite this entry. Clear that I have done is provision for account debit is to profit and loss account. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we are just comparing my tax liability with my provision. Now I am not comparing with my advance tax payment. Okay. So just focus with your tax liability and your PFT balance. Clear that? In second situation, we'll take PFT is equal to tax liability. You have to assume that your PFT balance is equal to your tax liability. So assume that your tax liability is 70,000 and your PFT balance also is 70,000. Can you see that?
Yes.
So there is no extra PFT. There is no extra you have you have not created any extra PFT. So if there is no balance in PFT account, you no need to transfer in PNL account. That's why no entry. Clear that?
Yes.
One more time. What we have to check? First, we have to check my PFT balance to tax liability. Whether it's comparing, you have to like it's equal or it's more than, it's less than, you have to check that. Okay. So once you found out it's more than your tax liability, your PFT is more than your tax liability, you have to transfer the remaining amount to the PNL account. Clear that? So you have to pass the journal entry that PFT account debit to PNL account. Clear? Second situation, you have to check like PFT is equal to tax liability. Assume that your PFT is 70,000 and your tax liability also is 70,000. So there is no extra provision you have created. So I don't need to transfer in PNL account. So this is no entry will be passed. Clear? Okay. Third situation is PFT is less than your tax liability. So here is what your tax PFT is 70,000 and assume that your tax liability is 80,000. In this situation, there is a 10 lesser amount in that PFT account. So you have to create more PFT of rupees 10,000 because already you have 70,000 in PFT, but your tax liability is 80,000. So how much is less? 10,000. So you have to create more PFT in 10 of rupees 10,000 out of your profit. Clear that? I have taken 3 examples over here. PFT is more than your tax liability, PFT is equal to your tax liability, and PFT is less than your tax liability. Once you found out that your tax liability is less than, you have to create your PFT from profit. Clear? Once you find
Yes.
out that PFT is more than that, so you have to transfer in that. If it's equal, no entry should be passed. Clear that?
Yes.
Okay. Anyone has any doubt in this situation? No, na?
No.
Okay. So now what we'll compare? We'll compare my tax liability with advance tax. What we have checked now? We have checked tax liability with provision. We have to check is tax liability with advance tax. So this is the second situation. Compare your tax liability with advance tax. Assume that your advance tax is paid 60,000 and you have PFTs 70,000. Just assume that, okay? Oh, this is the first situation. Advance tax is more than your tax liability. Advance tax is more than your tax liability. In first situation, I have taken my tax liability is 50,000, but I have paid advance tax is 60,000. That means I have paid 10,000 extra tax to the government. So government will refund to me. So entry will come PFT account debit 50,000, income tax refund account debit 10,000, to advance tax 60,000. This entry will come when your advance tax is more than your tax liability. How? See, I told you while advance tax payment, what we pass the entry? When we pay advance tax to the government, what entry will should pass? Advance tax account debit to cash bank?
Debit to bank.
Yes, exactly. So this is the first entry will come over here. advance tax account debit to cash bank of rupees 60,000. I have not passed the entry over here. Okay. So I'm just telling you just orally that first entry will come over here, advance tax account debit to bank account of rupees 60,000. Clear that? Now you have to check with your tax liability. You have paid advance tax rupees 60,000. Now you come to know that your tax liability is 50,000. Then you realize that you have paid 10,000 extra. Please mute now.
Sorry.
Okay. Clear that? First you pass the entry advance tax account debit to cash bank 60,000 60,000. Then second thing you realize that your tax liability is 50,000. So you have to pass the journal entry PFT account debit 50,000 because your tax liability is 50,000. So tax liability always paid from your PFT account. Clear? My tax liability is always paid from the PFT account. So PFT account debit is 50,000 and I have paid advance tax rupees 60,000. So what will you have to do is income tax will refund you. Income tax account department will give you the refund of rupees 10,000. Clear? So just you have to pass the book entry for that PFT account debit, income tax refund account debit to advance tax. In second entry, you have to assume that you have received the income tax refund. So I have passed the entries bank account debit 10,000 to income tax refund account. It should be nullified. In first entry, you have debited income tax refund account. In second entry, you have credited. It should be nullified and it should be 0. Clear?
Okay.
Got this situation? Everyone clear with this situation?
Ma'am.
Okay. So second situation, let's take that advance taxes is equal to your tax liability. You have paid advance tax to 60,000 and your tax liability is also 60,000. So you have to pass over here the entry because your tax liability should be paid from PFT. So your tax liability is 60,000. So you have to pay the 60,000 from your PFT account. So PFT account debit 60,000, provision for tax account debit to 60,000 to your advance tax. In this situation, there is no refund because how much you have paid to the government is equal to your tax liability. Clear? So refund will not come in this situation. Got my point, everyone? In first situation, your tax liability is more than your tax liability. Advance tax is more than your tax liability. In second situation, advance tax is equal to your tax liability. Third situation is advance tax is less than your tax liability. Now what you have to do is you assume that your tax liability is 80,000. And how much you have paid to advance tax to the government? That is 60,000. So more 20,000 you have to pay to the government. This tax liability 80,000 will go from your PFT account. So entry will come over here. PFT account debit 80,000 to income tax payable account 60,000 to advance tax 20,000. Clear that? Everyone is clear that? Hello? Everyone? See here, over here I have made the one mistake. You have to do this PFT account debit to 80,000. Income tax payable will be come over here 20,000 and advance tax will come 60,000. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just rectify with this. PFT account debit 80,000 and you have paid advance tax 60,000. So remaining 20,000 now you have to pay. So just pass the book entry to income tax payable 20,000. After that, in second entry you have to pay. So income tax payable account 20,000 is debited to bank account. Clear that? Anyone has any doubt in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so first what you have to do is first compare your tax liability. See, now you have to pass the journal entry. I'll give you the question. Just remember this. First, you have to compare your tax liability with your provision. If you found out like your provision is like more than or less than or equal to, in this situation only one situation will come with you. Okay, this third POF is the example of this. So once you found out that PFT is more than, so you have to transfer in PNL account. Once you found out that PFT is less than your tax liability, so you have to create more PFT. For creating, this will be entry will come PNL account debit to PFT. Clear that? Second situation, you have to compare your tax liability with advance tax. So this situation will come. So you have to check your advance tax is more than, equal to or less than. If you found out less than, you have to pay to the government. And if you found like you have paid extra to the government will give you the refund. Clear? We'll go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. This is the question number 1. Just take example 1. This is the question. And this is the adjustment. This poll of your question is just read out properly. You have paid advance income tax of assessment year 18-19 of rupees 2 lakh. See, you have paid twice advance tax, but assessment year is different. You can see that. You have paid advance income tax for the assessment year 18-19 of rupees 2 lakh. You have paid advance income tax. Assessment year is 19-20. Different assessment year is 1,30,000. Okay. Now you have created provision for tax of the assessment year 18-19 is 1,80,000. This is the adjustment. The gross liability has been fixed as 2,20,000. Now you have to check this. As I told you, first take your tax liability. So your gross liability is how much? 2,20,000.
20,000.
Yes. So you have to first check your tax liability with PFT. So just check your 2,20,000 is your tax liability and your provision for taxes 1,80,000. So just compare with your tax liability and PFT. How much is lesser than, equal to or less than?
More than PFT.
Is
More than PFT.
it's less than or more than?
More than.
Yes, your tax liability is more than your PFT. Okay. Means that tax liability मेरा ज़्यादा है और मेरा PFT कम है. In this situation, you have to create more PFT.
Yes.
Yes, you have to create. How much is different amount is 40,000. So 40,000 is less in my PFT account. So you have to create 40,000 का PFT. So what will be my journal entry for that?
PFT to PNL.
No, I have to create my PFT. You are transferring. You are like assuming that your like PFT is excess. In this situation, is PFT is not my excess. It's less than. This is the third situation.
PNL to PFT.
Yes, PNL to PFT of rupees 40,000. So you can see over here. This is a journal entry. You have to find out this. See, first tax liability compare with your PFT. Clear? So we'll check first. My tax liability is 2,20,000 and my PFT is 1,80,000. So this in this situation, 40,000 PFT is lesser than. So you have to create. See, यहाँ पे मैंने बताया आपको tax liability is more than your PFT. So 2,20,000 is more than from 1,80,000. So you have to create over here. So this is the journal entry for that. PNL account debit to PFT account of rupees 40,000. Clear that?
Yes.
So now second thing you have to check your compare with your tax liability with advance tax. So you can see over here your tax liability is 2,20,000 and you have mistake, I have made the mistake. Okay, so you have paid 2 lakh rupees. Clear that? your tax liability is 2 lakh 20. Just check in this chart. I have made draw. Your tax liability is 2 lakh 20 and you have paid advance taxes 2 lakh. You can see in this question also. Advanced income tax assessment year 18-19 is 2 lakh rupees. Clear?
Yes.
So your tax liability is 2 lakh 20 and you have paid to the government, that is 2 lakh. That means government will give you refund or you have to pay more to the government. So you have to pay more because 2 lakh 20 is your tax liability and you have paid only 2 lakh rupees. So 20,000 you have to pay more. Clear?
Yes.
So this will be journal entry for that. Provision for tax account 2 lakh 20. See, as I told you, okay, whatever your tax liability amount will be goes from the provision for tax account only. Clear?
Yes.
So your provision for tax account is debited with 2 lakh 20,000 because your tax liability is 2 lakh 20,000. To advance tax, whatever you have advance tax is paid. That is 2 lakh rupees you have paid in advance in the current year. So difference is 20,000. So you have to pay extra 20,000 to the government. That is income tax payable. And next entry you have to pay is income tax payable to bank account 20,000. Clear that?
Yes.
First, what you have to do is you have to check your provision, tax liability with provision. Compare with that. Second चीज आपको check करना है your tax compare with advance tax to tax liability. Everyone is clear in that situation?
Yes.
Okay. एक बार फिर से देख लेते हैं क्योंकि ये इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो आपको 15 मार्क के लिए आ सकता है एग्जाम में. So this is your question. In the assessment year 18-19, advance income tax is 2 lakh you have paid to the government. In the assessment year 19-20, you have also paid 1 lakh 30,000. You have paid extra to the 1 lakh 30,000. It will like you can check it with in the next year. We are in the assessment year 18-19. You can see that. So you have paid 2 lakh rupees to the government. Provision you have created 1 lakh 80, but your tax liability is 1 lakh 2 lakh 20. So you have to check is your gross liability is 2 lakh 20. So you have to compare your tax liability with provision for tax. Your tax liability is 2 lakh 20. Your provision is 1 lakh 80. That means 40,000 lesser than your tax liability. So now you have to create your provision of rupees 40,000. So while you're creating your PFT, your journal entry will be P&L account debit to PFT account of rupees 40,000. Clear that? Second,
Yes.
you have to compare your gross liability with your advance tax. In this situation, your gross liability is 2 lakh 20. You have to compare your advance income tax, that is 2 lakh. So that means you have to pay more 20,000 to the government. And whatever your tax liability is, you have to pay from your PFT account. So my journal entry will be PFT account debit 2 lakh 20, advance tax account debit 2 lakh, and 20,000 you have to pay. So first pass the book entry, that is income tax payable 20,000. Just after passing the book entry, you have to pay that. Just pass the entry, that is income tax payable account debit 20,000 to bank account 20,000. Clear that?
Yes.
In question, you can see that one more adjustment is there. I have passed the first adjustment. I have solved the adjustment. There is a second adjustment also. They are saying make a provision for income tax has to be made for a assessment year 2021 is of rupees 1 lakh 20,000. They are telling to make a provision of rupees 1 lakh 20,000 for the next year. So what will be the journal entry of 1 lakh 20,000? You have to make a provision. So what will be the journal entry for that? See, you will make a provision out of your profit.
Profit and loss to provision for tax.
Yes, for the next assessment year 2021 of rupees 1 lakh 20, you have to pass the journal entry. This is my first adjustment and this is my second adjustment. Profit and loss account debit to provision for tax 1 lakh 20,000, 1 lakh 20,000. provision is created for the assessment year 2021 out of your profit. Clear everyone?
Yes.
This was my example 1. Just take it example 2. This is your homework. Just take this. We'll check your answer in next lecture, that is tomorrow. So what you have to do is check your gross liability with your provision, and second thing, you have to check your liability with advance tax. That's it, and pass the journal entry. I have given you the only one adjustment. I have not given you the second adjustment. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is your question. This you have to pass the journal entry for this. We'll check your this is tomorrow. Okay.
Yes.
Everyone has taken the screenshot?
Yes.
Yes.